Hi engineers, today my topic about on ITP. What is ITP, what is the requirement of ITP, and why ITP is most important in any kind of projects. So basically ITP stand for inspection and testing plan. It's a formal document used in construction, civil engineering and industrial project to ensure that all material work activities and process comply with the project specification code and standard. So basically ITP is a backbone role in any kind of projects. Without ITP, the project any activity do not comply with the approved specification, design and drawing. ITP acts as a roadmap. What is the roadmap? Roadmap defines in ITP what to check, when to check, and who will check, which standard are following. What is the meaning is what to check. The what to check mean is that what item you will inspect in the field. For example, steel and formwork is under progress, so you will inspect first of all the alignment of the formwork, then check the steel grade, size, center to center spacing and covering in the sides. So basically what to check mean is that. Second, when to check. When to check mean is that which activity is inspect on which stages. There are three common stages: before inspection, during inspection and after inspections. For example, concrete work is under progress in fields, so you inspect the concrete mixed design ratio. This is for your first or before inspections of the activity. Then you inspect the pouring and the vibration of the concretes. This is your during inspection. And then you inspect the finishing or the casting of the concrete. This is your after inspection. So basically when to check mean that specify your inspection stages. Next is who will check. Who will check mean is that who is the responsible of the inspection. For example, the contractor, site engineer or quality inspector is the responsible of the inspection, or the client's call center department representative is the responsible of the inspections. Next is which standard to follow. So basically they ensuring the project specification and codes is following in the site or not. Purpose of ITP: to check the quality of material and construction work at every stage, to catch mistake early and avoid rework later, to show clearly who is responsible for the inspection, test and approvals, prevent non-conformance issues by ensuring proper execution and documentations, to make sure all work follows project specification, tender, standard and safety rules, define the inspection level and testing requirement for each activity. ITP also inspect multiple levels of the activity because the project have multiple activities. Some activity is under progress and some activity is near to completion, and some activity is waiting to for starting. So the every one activity his own name. Hold points. Hold point is that activity which is definition is that work must not continue until inspection approval is obtained. The mean is that is a stop activity, and they do not start until inspection approval is obtained from the clients. Witness point: inspector must watch the work or observe the work, but it can continue if done correctly. Surveillance: Continuous monitoring or checking of work or process to make sure they follow the standard specification or procedure. Review point. Review point means check the complete work or document before it continues. What is the attachment of ITP? Approved method statement, approved drawing, project specification, request for inspection or WIR, work inspection request, checklist, meal test certificate, calibration certificate, previous inspection record. These are the attachment of ITP. Without these attachment, ITP can't work properly.